What's up, guys? It's Bigg Vic back in here with another video. Today I want to talk to you guys about the top 4 0% personal credit cards in 2023 that will save you money on balance transfers for up to 21 months. Let's get into it. Welcome to my world. All right, guys, so the first card that I want to recommend to you guys, this card would allow you to do a balance transfer for 21 months. That first card being Bank AmeriCard. As you can see here, they have a new offer, a 0% intro APR for 21 billing cycles for purchases. And for any balance transfers made in the first 60 days of opening your account, after the intro APR offer ends, a variable APR that's currently 16 to 24, between 26.24% will apply, and a fee of 3% will apply to the balance transfer. Okay, so if you do a balance transfer, if you decide to transfer a balance from a higher interest rate credit card that you may have a balance sitting on, that's eating you up, because believe you me, a lot of these credit card companies will eat you up in interest when you just have a balance sitting there and just, not paying enough to really kill the interest on the card, right? This card right here is no annual fee, no penalty APR. 21 months, guys, that's almost 2 years on a credit card at 0% minus the 3% balance transfer fee, which that's not a lot compared to what you would be paying with the higher interest credit card. Second card that I want to talk about is the Wells Fargo Reflect card. This Wells Fargo Reflect card is allowing you to do a 0% intro APR for 18 months, plus an extended 3 months on balance transfers. So you have to make the balance transfer within the first 120 days of qualifying for this particular card. Now, I like that because 21 months, that is a long time. That is probably more than enough time that you would need if you decided to do a balance transfer, to transfer over to that card and kill any other higher interest rate cards. I don't know if you guys understand how powerful this is, but when I was working to build up my credit and get a stronger credit rating, I just had some cards that had higher balances on them, and the interest rate on those cards was high. And back then, I was really searching for a 0% card, at least over 12 months, that I could transfer balances over to and save me some money on interest. I don't know about you guys, but I love 0% interest rate cards. Like, it just makes way too much sense. Wells Fargo Reflect card is one of those cards that you guys can go apply for and then, use that card to transfer some balances over if you need to. The next card, you guys, is the US Bank card. Now, this is a personal credit card. Right now, they're doing the 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 18 months. And I'm also sure that this one has a balance transfer fee as well. So I'm not seeing it right here, but I'm sure there's also some type of balance transfer fee that comes along with this card. Most of them do a balance transfer fee. So this card you can do for 18 billing cycles. 18, that's a pretty long time. The next card that will also allow you guys to do a 0% balance transfer is the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. This particular card is letting you do 15 months. As you can see here, 0% intro APR for 15 months for the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. I've been there before. A lot of times you will have higher interest rates on a lot of these cards, especially if you did a card that possibly had 0% for the first 12 months, and then you're still carrying a balance on that card. If that is your situation, now, as long as your credit is pretty decent, you should be able to apply for one of these cards and transfer those higher interest rate balances onto one of these cards and save you a ton of money in interest charges. Because as you let balances sit on credit cards, guess what happens? The interest is eating you up daily as you're paying that monthly payment. And please, by all means, do not pay the minimum. Do not pay the minimum. Make sure you pay above that minimum, above the minimum. This is how credit card companies make their money. Wells Fargo Active Cash is the fourth card that will allow you to do a balance transfer for 15 months. Pretty much no-brainer cars, you guys. These are gonna save you a ton of money in interest charges if you decide to do a balance transfer. Hope this video helped you guys out. If so, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see more future videos similar to this video in the future, smash the notification bell so that you will know when I drop my next video and YouTube will notify you. Until the next time, it's the homie Bigg Vic TV. As always hustle, never stop growing. See you guys in my next video. Let's eat.